everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet 3100. This is a rare big back window truck. Well, it has, it's up to 66 miles. It had 61 miles on it when I bought it. Now I put 5 miles on it here today. 66 miles on a complete frame-off, custom-built Restomod truck. Killer truck, guys. Love the color combination. It is Surf Turquoise. It's got all new custom saddle leather interior in it. You can see 22 and 20-inch Coys wheels, all steel truck. It's got a Camaro front subframe on it, and beautifully done. All new glass, all new wiring harness. You can see it's got LED lighting in it, new grille, new bumpers. Pretty truck. It's got the correct mirrors on it. It's got electric wipers. We got to repark those. We'll have to check those. Sorry about the dust up here. They've been sitting out here waiting for me to get this done. This is pretty cool. You see how they've done he's done a couple of things that are really cool. All that trim inside and out is done in a hammer coat, which I thought was super cool. You can see the dark saddle interior in it. Again, all new glass. I love the dark oak he did here. And again, big back window truck. You don't see that a lot. Very rare. Puts a lot more light in the cab, and I'll tell you what, makes them a lot easier to drive. You can see way better. Custom roll pan here on the rear. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck, guys. Very nice truck. Sits good. Again, 20 and 22-inch Coys wheels. ZR rated rubber all the way around the truck. It's got air shocks on the rear, so you can change the stance if you want. Pretty truck. Just a bug. Again, Camaro front subframe on it with power disc brakes. Pretty paint on the truck. Good running 350. And this is cool. I don't know if you can see this on the firewall. That's all rhino line. The frame, the suspension he did in a rhino line. Same thing underneath the hood. So really cool. Very nicely done. Nothing crazy. 350 Chevy small block. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got vintage AC. Aluminum radiator in there. 350 turbohydramatic trans, very clean and nice underneath here. And this is a little show truck. Somebody got greasy hands on there. If you're seeing that, that's just a little, somebody just got little greasy hands on it. Pretty. There's little greasy fingerprints or something. Not real sure. All new wiring harness. Again, new mirrors. Love the way he did all this. That's really nice. New door handles. Again, inside and out. So he sent that all out and had it done. A little stone peck you can see in there. Even the fuel tank he had done in that hammer coat. Very comfortable, new seat. Headliner. Chrome choke column with a billet wheel. 66 miles, guys. Dolphin gauge cluster. Again, it's got vintage AC on it with all new. That's all new heater box and air box underneath. No radio, but he left the dash stock. So if you want to put that little limited edition in there, pretty cool. So if you want to, you can change that. You can put the radio back in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear axle, no big monster gear. Definitely something built to cruise. Really nice truck, guys. This does come down if you want to lower it down. Again, clean underneath. Like you see, did the frame and everything in that Rhino line. Really nice truck. Pretty truck. Billet rear view mirror. Good shot. Probably have to come out here, Nathan. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Really runs and drives really nice. Blows cold. Like I said, just a good little truck, man. All the gauges are functional, holds good oil pressure. Truck just right, like I say, just a sweet running little baby doll right here. Yeah, nothing for radio. Blower motor all works. Like I say, air blows cold. Everything opens and closes nice. Wipers do work, but we got to repark them. Love the LED lights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.